Hello guys, myself Mohammed Lukman Khan and today I am going to share about my final idea about the mysteries of grand theory of heat waves. In previous video I have discussed some method about the sprinkling shower of water by autonomous drone. The shower of water by autonomous drone will become fail because the water could not be diffused properly and it requires a lot of amount of water. So we have discussed some method which is more shortcut and easy. Here these are the coding method which is very good and efficient method. Here I have taken a float value so that the temperature cannot be gradually increase or decrease. It could be a quasi-static process so that there could be no harm of health issue like fever and other cough issue. Here I have entered the value. It gives the different readings and result. Like I have entered the value like 32 degrees Celsius. It gives different result, and when I have entered the 15 degree Celsius input, so it gives that different result. So we have simply entered the value, it gives the different result. I have write a code which is good in temperature range, so you can also change it according to your requirement for good weather condition. Here you can see that the code is running properly and give the suitable result according to our requirement. It gives combined result of different areas like IC and non-IC areas. The meaning of the code is that the value I have entered in this code is the temperature lies between summer and winter in non-IC areas is 32 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius, and in IC areas it lies between 15 degree to minus 40 degree Celsius. So talking about how I made this code, I have simply calculated the good temperature range of IC and non-IC areas temperature. Immediately I have entered the value of good temperature range in IC and non-IC areas in MS Excel. After making this graph in MS Excel, I have write a code of C programming of weather looping techniques. Now let's go to further. The another method is the satellite based reflection of weather monitoring. It is also a really good method of simply using the 360 degree black transparent mirror in space of dimming the rays of sun which is falling in earth atmosphere. As we know that the earth is at aphelion and it's the farther point from the sun in summer, and in winter the earth is at perihelion, its closer point of the sun. Although the distance contribute to the season, it's not the main determinant. The main driving factor for the season is the axial tilt of the earth. So the meaning is in summer the earth is at aphelion, the farther distance. So what happens is that all the rays are coming inside the atmosphere directly. But in winter the sun is at perihelion, the closest distance of the earth and sun. So what happens in winter? Some rays are not coming inside the atmosphere in winter, but in summer all the rays are coming inside the atmosphere. That's why the heat is generated in summer. So during the time of June solstice, all the rays are coming inside the atmosphere. That's why the heat is produced in summer. So our basically target is to reduce the heat and dim the rays of sun so that less heat is generated in summer. greater distance so that the more area should be covered by using. But the satellite based refraction is not be very easy because the area is too much large. So how to cover an area? Simply we have copy of satellite and focus the point of Earth atmosphere. So simply we have tracking the location by using GPS. Simply we have rotating the mirror according to our requirement so that the rays could be dim which is coming from the sun. It should be kept in our mind. We should make a copy of satellite of focusing different type of location of rotating the mirror for dimming the rays of sun. I hope you all guys like my idea. So thank you so much and go to subscribe my YouTube channel and Instagram ID.